Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video we're going to talk about how to make our hair smell good, whether it's our natural hair or our wigs or weaves or bundles, all of that. I don't know if it's like you, but like when I straighten my wigs, my weaves, my bundles, or even when I used to straighten my hair, natural hair way many years ago, it used to have that like straightened smell or that like chemical smell, because like when you put products in your hair, right? So I'm gonna share with you guys how to make your hair smell good. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, so I have a few items that we're gonna explore when it comes to making our hair smell good. So I'm gonna start off with, if you're someone who straightens your natural hair or you straighten bundles, all that stuff a lot, and you still have that like straightener smell, that burntish smell, or you have that product smell. So one thing that you guys can go in with is obviously your heat protectant, but a heat protectant that smells good. I used to have heat protectants, but these heat protectants weren't ones that smelled good all the time. One day I got fed up. I was like, you know what? I need my hair to smell good. I need my hair to smell good. So I specifically went into the beauty supply store looking at all these heat protectants. I mainly was sniffing them, like putting on them on my hand and like rubbing them to see which one smells good. Comment down below if you guys know any more heat protectants that have a good smell, because I want to try different ones other than this one that I have here. And yeah, so comment down below. So that's one way you guys can make your hair smell good, is a heat protectant, because when you put that heat protectant through your hair and you straighten it, the whole room is going to smell like that heat protectant. Your hair is going to be ingrained with that heat protectant. Sorry guys, you guys can probably hear the pig. Sometimes the heat protectant isn't enough. Maybe after when you're done straightening your hair still smells like that hair straightened thing. So one thing that you can do when it comes to straightening your natural hair or straightening your wigs, weaves, bundles, all that, is going in with hairspray. Now you can go in with this with your natural hair. So say if you do a natural hairstyle, go in after when you're done styling your hair, just lightly go in with this hairspray. So this is the Tresemme Mega Firm Control Tres 2 hairspray. This hairspray smells so good. When I smelled this, I was like, no. And I highly recommend you guys buying this. Like, I spray this in my hair just to make my hair smell good. And then when I spray it in my hair, the whole entire like room smells good that I'm using this hairspray in. You can probably get this at a local drugstore or beauty supply store. Mainly I feel like drugstore like Walmart or like Shoppers Drug Mart or one of those just drugstores near you, you would probably find this, and I'll try and link it down below if I can find it on Amazon or anywhere on the internet that you guys can buy. I stocked up because I don't want to go back to the store and find out like they're all sold out or they're just not selling them anymore. So I stocked up on these. These smell so good, guys. After when you guys style your hair or anything like that, just lightly, you don't even on your natural hair, you don't even have to spray a lot. Just like even now, all I smell is this hairspray in my hair, nothing more. But if you don't want to go in with a hairspray, I understand. You can go with an oil sheen. Now you can find oil sheens at beauty supply store. I think they sell oil sheens only, like I think it's this brand at Walmart, but you guys can definitely check. But this does get ingrained into your hair, especially on your natural hair, and that's all you smell. Since it's an oil sheen, guys, and maybe you don't want your hair to be oily, just lightly spray it on your head and you're good for the day. This should be good. But again, it's an oil sheen, so it'll help with like reviving your hairstyle and making it look like very like healthy and non-dry. But be careful because it's oil. Okay, so this is the ORS Olive Oil Nourishing Sheen Spray. It's infused with a coconut oil. So yeah, this has like a more of like a olive oil smell, of course, and there's slight coconut smell to it, very slight. Other brands have oil sheens as well that you guys can check out as well, and they're super affordable. You can find them at beauty supply store. Again, these can work with both your natural hair and your wigs, weave, bundles, everything like that. Now if you're someone who feels like your hair looks a little bit oily, or you just have a lot of oils in your hair, go in with dry shampoo. I don't have any dry shampoo at the moment because sometimes I'll go in with that with my wigs and my weaves if it's just too oily. Okay, you want to go in and put on some dry shampoo, and usually dry shampoo smells so good, well, the ones that I smell. So you can definitely go to your local drugstore and buy dry shampoo, put it in your hair. It reduces oils, it smells good, it's affordable. Pick which one you guys want, and they definitely work. Okay, so here's another thing. Okay, when it comes to your natural hair, when it comes to your weaves, wigs, bundles, anything like that, especially natural hair, I feel like when I was wearing my natural hair, I was like, oh my gosh, I want my hair to smell good all the time. I don't want my hair to smell like chemicals all the time. There's some natural hair products that just smell like natural hair products, like chemicals. It doesn't have like a nice smelling scent to it. I'm someone now who just wants my hair to smell good. I don't want to be hugging someone or lying down with someone and then all they can smell my hair is like that chemical smell or that straightened smell. No, we're gonna stop that. Or like that oil smell. My hair would just smell like hair all the time, and I didn't want that smell anymore. I was like, no, I don't want to do that anymore. So Now, I used to buy just like any shampoo and conditioner. I just never used to care as much for shampoos and conditioners. Care as much as in like the smell. Like I would just buy it. If I needed intense dry repair, I would just buy one. Head and Shoulders, like I would just buy whatever one that I need for the few months or the month or so. And I really cared for the scent, let me say that. I used to care about what the shampoo does, but now I care about both of them, what the shampoo does and the smell of it, because your shampoo and conditioner, that's what you guys want to start buying to make your guys' hair smell good, and your deep conditioners. So now when I go into the beauty supply store or I go into like Walmart, those are the two main places I buy my shampoo and conditioners and deep conditioners. What I do now is look for, yes, the thing that the shampoo and conditioner is targeting, whether it's like, oh, these shampoos and conditioners are only for like curly hair or dry hair or revive colored hair, right? I also want to look for the smell. So now I go in and I buy good smelling shampoos and conditioners. So right now I have the Down Under Naturals Nude shampoo and conditioner. I finished the conditioner. I noticed that I go through conditioners way faster than shampoo. Like of this video, comment down below, that's the same with you. Like you'll go through conditioners so much more faster than shampoo. It's weird. Anyways, so this one's in Raspberry Splash. But this one smells good. It does smell like raspberry. It's like a fruity scent, and I feel like that smells good in hair. It's like a fruity scent. You guys just pick a smell that you guys feel like would match more you, your style. For hairs, I feel like fruity scents are more me. I like fruity scents and things, so that's why I more gravitate to. And I love Garnier. Garnier has the best smelling shampoos and conditioners for drugstore, and I highly recommend you guys looking into Garnier for your good smelling shampoos and conditioners. When you have a good smelling shampoo and conditioner, you're washing your hair thoroughly with that, and it's getting into your cuticles, getting into your hair shafts, all throughout your hair, and it just smells really good. But I mostly buy mine at Walmart. So I've been using Garnier ever since I can remember, since elementary school, and I'm in my 20s now, so put that together. And if you double up on your shampoos and conditioners that both have the same scent, it'll make your hair smell even better because you're putting in that same smell more than once, right? It's so ironic because I don't have any Garnier products right now with me, but I love them. Garnier works for every single hair type. Yeah, and another thing is with deep conditioners, I mostly get my deep conditioners from the beauty supply store when I'm deep conditioning my natural hair. Now you want to go in with something that smells good when it comes to deep conditioning your natural hair, because the deep condition is sitting in your hair for like very long minutes or even up to an hour. So imagine like a good smelling deep conditioner sitting in your hair. It's going to make the hair smell super good. So think about that when you guys are buying your shampoos, your conditioners, deep conditioners. Yeah, shampoo and conditioner lasts for a few hours, but it's okay because the things I shared with you guys, like the dry shampoo, oil Sheen, the hairspray, will continue to make your hair smell good and will stay in your hair. Now if you have wigs and weaves like this, the hairspray will stay in your hair, will stay in the hair until you wash it again and you wash it out, okay? Again, everything you can find at either your local drugstore like Walmart or like a beauty supply store, guys. Maybe you don't want to go in with hairspray, maybe you don't want to go with the oil Sheen, maybe you don't even care for dry shampoo. What you can go in with is actual like perfumes for your hair, but it's hair perfumes. Now I haven't bought any because I don't know, maybe I might think about buying one, but I've seen it at Sephora. I'm gonna link it down below, Sephora.com. I think it's Dior. I'm gonna figure out what brand it was. I think it was Dior or something, and they have perfumes for the hair that you spray into the hair and it just smells good and it lingers and it lasts forever. So you can think about maybe if you want to invest into a hair perfume. I felt like the one that I saw at Sephora was really high price. I thought like a few months ago, and I actually was gonna buy it until I saw the price and I was like, can I find an alternative that smells good that is a hair perfume as well? So you guys can think about it if it's in your budget or you just want to make your hair smell so good. You don't care how much the item costs, you just want to buy it. So definitely look at Sephora. I'm going to link it down below. All these products here I'm going to link down below. I'll try find some of my fave Garnier hair products that I love. I'm going to link down below in the description box for you guys to try out too for your hair if you guys want your hair to smell good. Right now my hair smells like the hairspray, and it smells so good. Like it's so good, it smells so good. I like it. So that's really it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and found it informative. Make sure to comment down below what your fave shampoo and conditioner is that smells good. I want to try so many. I love shampoos and conditioners, especially conditioners that smell good. Leave them down below, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir. Why is this bamboo in the way?